Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. As you can see, I am in the car. I finished work and then I just drove to the city, guys. I'm currently at the car park. Thursday night, so as usual, it's date night for daddy and mummy. So yeah guys, I just parked the car and I'm just gonna go meet daddy upstairs. And we are, well, actually last week dada chose the place to go, so this week it's my turn. And my colleague suggested one, I think, Indonesian place, like a restaurant here in Melbourne Central, and I think that's where we're going tonight. And yeah, apologies if the quality of the video is not so clear. I'm currently using my phone, because this morning when I tried to bring my camera, I realized that the battery was dead, so I wasn't able to bring it with me. Now I am filming using my phone, and yeah, I hope it's fine. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna get out the car now and meet daddy. I'll see you in a bit. So we're going upstairs, guys. So I'm in level 2, our P2, so it's underground, and I am going to ground floor to meet dada, and then I think the restaurant is in level 3. So yep, here you go. So guys, I can see, I think there's another pimple coming, guys. So guys, change plans because the place that I originally chose is permanently closed. So we're going somewhere. Oh, it's changed a lot.
Look at everyone's lining up for this spot.
So this is where we're going now. You open the door for me, daddy? You're the man. Oh, it's changed so much.
Have you come to our store before?
Yeah, I've used it before. Thanks so much.
No worries, take your time.
Thank you.
I'll order for you.
Okay. Yeah, you know what to order for me. Very fancy, guys. They use this iPad for ordering. Here you go. Oh, I'm sorry. So dada knows me very well, guys. He knows what to order for mama. Don't you, daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you hungry?
Yeah. Are you?
A little bit. But I'm eating because, see daddy? My tongue. So here's my drink, guys. It's lemon, lime and bitters. It's not an alcohol. And dada is having green tea. Sashimi?
Thank you.
Mushrooms. What's this, daddy? Is that wasabi?
Hold on.
Well, I'm not eating that.
You don't need to eat the wasabi.
Yeah, I'm not eating sashimi, daddy.
Why not?
Because it's... I don't like it.
Why
I'll
not?
just wait for my food. Dada's got his ramen now. It looks really good. Why? It's an egg. Is that chicken?
Yeah.
Yum. So here's mine, guys. It's salmon chahan. Is that fried rice with salmon? Is that all? They just make it sound better. Salmon chahan. That's very nice, guys. It's my favorite. See all the salmon bits. Alright, guys, let's eat. Bon appetit. So, guys, we just finished dinner. Thanks, Daddy, for the dinner.
You're welcome.
I know, actually, no, I paid for it, guys, so he should be thanking me. Yeah, so guys, we're at Foot Locker, as you can see, because Dada wants to get a pair of shoes. Yes, guys, again. What do you think? Have a look at the price, guys. $220. I think Dada is getting them. Lucky bugger. How cute is this thing? Oh my god. This will look so good in Paris, guys. What do you think? Oh, okay. It's $70. Okay, now I actually just bought her the filler one the other week, guys. This is so cool too. Adidas. It's also $70. So many shoes, guys, so many options. Oh wow, that's
That's custom made from Lebanon. I'm Lebanese.
Yeah, beautiful, man. I was speaking to a Turkish guy about gold, actually. He was talking about it.
oh guys, he's getting it. Of course he is.
Shoe protection and stuff. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't want the stuff like that.
You guys, we're just looking around. Just come on, Daddy, with shower. Oh, titty. Hey, sorry.
Zoom in on Daddy's height.
Huh?
Zoom in on Daddy's height.
You're hot.
See? Big man.
Oh.
100%. Daddy can tell.
Okay, Daddy, if you say so. Huh? Guys, I really like this one, guys. This maxi skirt, pleated skirt. Dada said he likes it too. I might get. But guys, my phone battery is dying now, guys, so I'm gonna say bye. So guys, I'm gonna say bye now. I'm gonna end the vlog here because my phone battery is dying and we're going now. So thanks very much for watching today's video. Say bye, Daddy.
See ya.
See you guys.